Yeah.
Are we gonna hokey pokey or like just like
Right,
this is terrible.
Left.
Here we are after practice.
His eye. The Frenchie is trying.
Tomorrow we have to go to Greystone.
Yeah, tomorrow
Greystone
is our second and Jack meet. That's a great way to vlog. Okay.
We'll travel to the Stone of Grey
And race among the ghosts.
where apparently House is
gone
filmed.
by.
Preview.
the psychiatric hospital.
Factoid.
Oh god. Lucy's spitting
No,
factoids.
I don't like this. This makes me uncomfortable. But the show house was filmed there. Not the actual, like, not inside it, but what the season where he's like.
This is like 6 times people.
Factoid. The season where he's like going through the drug addiction and he goes to the psychiatry place. The outside, I sound like Maria right now. The outside is the building. I told you it wasn't interesting. She didn't make me say it. Very well. It was a fun fact from Lucy. Yeah, so we're gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm probably gonna forget because I'm bad at vlogging. Yeah. So
Are we still talking? You want to take over the vlog?
Sure. Hello, friends. Bro, you're holding it the wrong
wrong
way.
way.
I'm sorry. Why would you hold it this way?
Because it's better.
Because look, my hand, my hand is like this. Like that's so dumb.
But when you post
YouTubers, PSA to all YouTubers, we're starting a revolution of holding a YouTube video.
that's illogical.
Vertically.
Vertically. Logical because cut that part out. I like Anna's idea. We can fit like
I'm a control freak.
3
I
or
just
4
want to
people in the porta potty.
But I know that
Comes
that's
out.
not who I am.
Each person you did.
Because I'm actually not that good. Why are you zooming in on me? I'm not zooming in. This is the story.
Wait, bro, you have to
Of a
record
girl.
sideways.
Named Lucy. Ashley thinks this is vlog, just me and Kenny saying hi. Hi. They're all trying to get it together for the spirit run. They're not doing a very good job because they're not organized at all. Say hi to the vlog. Natalie, say hi to the vlog. Natalie, say hi to the Lucy. How fast are you gonna run tomorrow? Bridget, how fast are you gonna run tomorrow?
Just be speedy tomorrow.
Yeah.
So fast. So fast.
Yeah, Bridget's like a gazelle.
She's apparently on the top 20 list for Warwick, so.
Yeah,
Zillion gazillions. Words of wisdom from Lucille. Hi. Alright, so vlog.
Yeah, you would more in it.
Wait, it's bright. Where's Lucy? Oh, there she is. Whoopsie.
Why do you think it's so bright?
So we're running to the bus. Haha, ready. Because we didn't have time to get ready. Yeah, Lucy's still in her uniform. I had to have a Skype meeting. Oh, so is Mark.
I had time, I just didn't want
Lucy, how's Latin? Are you in it? She's really nice, but I'm way in over my head. She Latin. Yeah. Hey, Natalie.
I think Jake.
Hey, Natalie. Natalie. Can I just ask you a question? What are you listening to? Like, what's your pre-beat jams? Classy. Yeah. Very nice.
Isn't it pre-Malone if it's before the beat?
No, it's not.
No, the other one.
Lucy, what are your pre-beat jams? I'm actually open to suggestions. Can you wait till I stop chewing? No, I can't. Lover. No, actually, okay. Unpopular opinion, Lover isn't that good for pre-meat. Awkward, but it's true. There's peanut butter in my mouth. I'm really uncomfortable with it. Imagine Dragons, Cage the Elephant. I feel like this is just going to be edited and exploited for my facial expressions. So,
No, I made them. Like I got a huge white t-shirt. I got a huge white t-shirt and then I made them. Yes. I got a huge white t-shirt and then I made scrunchies out of the white t-shirt.
What? Just like rubber band.
Glue.
Huh? Glue. Oh.
Yeah, hot glue. Hi. Guys, neither one of you was really in the vlog.
Understand how like that.
Anna. How do you guys feel about the vlog?
Great.
How do you feel about your race today?
Looking forward to it.
Katie gets me the most unenthusiastic answer.
I am excited to run. I just hope that I don't die.
Natalie, how do you feel about your run?
I'm pretty hyped.
Good, I'm glad to
I
hear
think
it.
it's gonna be like a super fun race today. I don't know why. Maybe the weather.
How fast are you gonna run?
I'm thinking of just coming in third. I don't know. I'm feeling third.
Third.
place today.
Natalie,
Yeah.
you got second last week.
I mean, I'm feeling third today.
Come on, Bridget, let's go, Apple! Come on, Bridget! It's tradition that I end the vlog. Goodbye, vlog. Ashley's mean. She killed my vibe. So now I have to think of another goodbye song. What's a goodbye Taylor song? Saying goodbye to the vlog is so sad. That's not the tune. That's a good one. I don't know. This is a lot of pressure.
We have to explain why it's ending. Okay, so our vlog, where's
It's
Lucy?
ending
Our vlog ended
because-
abruptly.
Oh wait, we have to go.
All right. Yeah, Zoe didn't run yesterday, but also no one really ran well, and then we had to like cool down really quickly. So
Yeah, it
that's
was
why our
7
vlog
minutes.
ended abruptly.
7 minutes.
But
is like when you know it's
Lucy,
supposed to be 10,
Lucy
but
has
you're
a
at
song
10.
to sing for you guys now.
Which one? Goodbye stranger or?
Love it.
Goodbye.